Chapter 8 The Exciting News. It was a sunny morning in Forest Hollow. Birds were singing, squirrels were playing, and the animals were all gathering for Polly the parrot's announcement. She swooped through the air, flapping her bright wings and shouting, "Hear ye, hear ye! Tomorrow is the Great Forest Race. All are welcome to join. Winner gets the Golden Acorn Trophy." The crowd gasped. The Golden Acorn Trophy was legendary, shiny, big, and said to bring good luck to anyone who won it. Ricky the rabbit jumped high into the air. "Ha! I have got this in the bag. I'm the fastest animal here." The crowd clapped and giggled. Then, slowly and quietly, Timmy the turtle raised his hand. I want to race too," he said softly. The forest went silent. Then Ricky burst into laughter. You can barely walk a mile before sunset. You'll never win." But Timmy smiled gently. "Maybe, but I want to try." Timmy the turtle's big race. Timmy the turtle, gentle, quiet, and full of heart. Not the fastest, but determined. Ricky the rabbit, the fastest in the forest, loud and overconfident. Polly the parrot, a colorful announcer who loves excitement and cheering. Foxy the judge, a calm and fair fox who oversees all the forest's games. The night before the race. That evening, while the other animals played and rested, Timmy was busy. He stretched his little legs, walked circles around his home, and practiced breathing deeply. He even packed a small pouch of snacks, lettuce bits and berries, to keep his energy up during the race. Meanwhile, Ricky was bouncing around, bragging to anyone who would listen. "I'll nap halfway through and still win. No one can beat me." He didn't practice. He didn't even stretch. He was too sure of himself. Morning arrived. The sun shone brightly over Sunny Hill, where the race would take place. Animals of all sizes gathered. Foxy the judge stood on a rock, holding a leaf whistle. "Runners to the line," he called. Timmy and Ricky stood side by side. Timmy smiled calmly. Ricky smirked and winked at the crowd. "On your marks, get set, go." The whistle blew. Ricky zoomed forward in a blur. The crowd cheered. Timmy took his first step. Then another. Then another. Slow and steady. Ricky raced over hills and around trees. After a while, he looked back. "No one's even close," he said. "Time for a nap." He found a cozy tree, lay down, and quickly fell asleep. Chapter 5 The Finish Line. The finish line glittered ahead. The Golden Acorn Trophy sparkled in the sunlight. Polly shouted, "Look, it's Timmy. Timmy's almost there." The forest went silent. Then cheers erupted. Just as Ricky opened his eyes, he heard the shouting. He jumped up, dashed forward, but it was too late. Timmy crossed the finish line. The forest exploded with cheers. Ricky ran up, panting. "No way. You beat me." Timmy smiled, tired but proud. "I just kept going. One step at a time." Foxy the judge handed Timmy the Golden Acorn Trophy. "You have shown us that speed isn't everything. Patience, courage, and kindness matter too." Ricky looked down, ears drooping. "Write each character talking king and animate the script." "I was wrong, Timmy. I thought being fast made me better. But you taught me something important." Timmy smiled again. "Thanks, Ricky. Maybe next time, we can race together." From that day on, Timmy became a legend in the forest, not for being the fastest, but for being the bravest and most determined.